I'm Krista Gogan, one of the librarians at the Shatford Library, and we have a couple of innovative things that we'd like to share with faculty. The mission of the Shatford Library is to provide quality services and resources for the college community, and we do that both in the library and online through our website. We have now access to something called LibGuides, and those are customizable research guides that can be created pretty easily, and they can include a lot of different types of things. So they can include links to websites, they can include embedded videos, online chat with a reference librarian, and also links to articles and ebooks. And so they're really flexible, and we're using them for three different types of guides. One is course-specific guides, and those can be used with library orientations or customized for specific assignments that students have in their classes. We're also creating discipline guides, so for nursing, architecture, music, for example, and those can just lead students to all kinds of recommended resources relating to those to their field. And then we have some supplemental guides, so citing sources, guides for that. Maps, like certain kinds of resources, and then also like little videos, how do you find a book in the library, that kind of thing. And the benefits for students are that these are available 24/7. They're point of need, when you need it, it's there when you sit down to do your assignment. And also they can guide students to recommended resources. So instead of them just searching Google or Wikipedia for something, they can use the types of resources that their faculty want them to use. And we're collaborating with faculty to make these guides, and so it's a way that we can outreach to other faculty. The second thing is classroom management software, and that is, we're planning to use that in our computer labs. We got a grant from the PCC Foundation, and what we'll be able to do with that is guide students while they're in the lab, but also students will be able to share what they're doing with the rest of the class, and so it's going to make it a little more interactive and more productive. And the third thing is we're going to be migrating to an integrated catalog system, and that's going to be part of WorldCat, so that's a worldwide consortium of libraries. So students will be able to find what we have here at PCC and also anywhere in the world, and it will integrate both books, print sources we have in the library, and actual full text of articles. So we're pretty excited about that, and we'll be launching that in fall of 2012.